Welcome back, and thank you for all of the new subscribers that I have. I truly appreciate it. This is going to be a very quick video. I just redid my son's dresser. Nothing special, nothing fancy. So as you can see, this dresser is destroyed. It's old, so I wanted to refurbish it, keep it longer. It's actually a great dresser. We just sanded out some of the hard spots, or where wood was like overlapping because it chipped or whatever, because you want to have a smooth surface to paint on. I cannot tell you how proud I am of my son, Zachary. This is Zachary right here. He takes his road test today. I'm crossing my fingers. I hope he passes. Here we just cleaned off the dresser. I honestly use Windex. I don't know what you're supposed to use, or however it goes, but I did what I thought was best. So the best paint that you should use for something like this is chalk paint. I apologize, I had a brain fart for a moment. Chalk paint is the best paint to use for furniture in my opinion, and then they sell a wax coating that you just rub over it afterwards. It lasts forever. And if you're trying to do like an old look to furniture, you can like sand it down in different spots and put the wax over it, and it looks great. My chairs in my dining room look so nice because of this. It is still wet here, but it is complete. We let it sit. I think Zachary let it sit there for like a week because he was being lazy and didn't want to bring it upstairs. But yeah, it takes about 24 hours for the paint to fully dry and to put a wax coating over it. But I want to say thank you so much for Zachary. Zachary, thank you. I love you. Good luck today. And thanks everybody for watching.